Hello, Captain Moo here, and today I am at the Rylands library in the University of Manchester again, and I have found this lift. The reason I'm whispering is because I'm in the library area. Just heard it start up. You can hear the automated voice from inside the lift. No need for outside speakers. I get that you want a flash button.
Going up.
Floor 5.
Please mind the doors.
Ooh. Dual two-speed doors. Squeaky. 3, 4, bumpy.
5.
This only holds 7 people. This holds 7 people, and it is tiny. Here we are. Right, shall we go all the way down to basement, Mum?
Going down.
Mum, shall we go all the way?
Look, I can see.
Please mind the doors.
Can see what?
Go and have a look. Oh, sorry.
That's fine.
Oh, lift machine room. So that is the machine room for the lift here. Like the chime.
Lift going down. Please mind the doors.
Doors close on button press. Red flashing doors. Always love to go in a motor room to see what's happening. It's going down pretty quickly. Ground,
Basement floor.
basement. Think we're levelling now? Yep, we've stopped. Doors got a bit jammed. Do you see the doors wobble around?
Please mind the doors.
So locked it.
Right, let's go back up to ground. God, the doors really want to close.
Going up.
These dual two-speed doors are tiny. Here we go.
Ground floor.
And ground floor. Look at this. No door closed, just the door open. Two-speed doors wobble around before finally opening.
Please mind the doors.
Anyway, that's been Captain Moo in this little lift here in John Rylands Library, University of Manchester. So bye.